Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, where we bring you the latest and most exciting car reviews. Today, we're diving into an incredible vehicle that's about to take the RV world by storm, the 2025 amazing motorhome. If you're in the market for a new home on wheels, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 amazing motorhome is built with sleek, aerodynamic lines that make it look as much like a luxury vehicle as it is a traveling home. Its bold new design combines modern aesthetics with practicality, making it stand out on the road while ensuring maximum fuel efficiency. The body is constructed using advanced materials that make it lighter yet stronger, enhancing the vehicle's performance and durability. You'll notice the large panoramic windows that provide amazing views and fill the interior with natural light, giving it an airy, open feel. Inside, this motorhome redefines what we can expect from a home on wheels. The living space is incredibly spacious, featuring state-of-the-art furniture and finishes that will make you feel right at home, no matter where you are. The kitchen area is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including a full-size fridge, stove, and microwave, ensuring that you can cook your favorite meals on the go. There's even a coffee station, perfect for those early mornings on the road. The sleeping area offers multiple options, including a king-size bed and adjustable sleep settings for maximum comfort. The bathroom is just as impressive, with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and modern fixtures that rival those found in luxury hotels. But what truly sets the 2025 amazing motorhome apart is its smart technology integration. It's packed with features like voice-controlled systems for lights, climate, and entertainment, making it feel like your very own mobile smart home. The driving experience is just as remarkable, with advanced safety features, adaptive cruise control, and a smooth ride thanks to the upgraded suspension system. Whether you're an experienced traveler or new to the RV world, the 2025 amazing motorhome has everything you need to make your adventures comfortable and unforgettable. Thanks for tuning into Car Reviewpedia. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing reviews.